Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah. I live in a camper full time, and this is Hannah and her habitat. Today I'm going to show you my camper chores. They're kind of like everybody else's chores, just a little bit different. So come along. First up being the dishes. It is my absolute least favorite chore to do. I don't know if it's because I don't have a dishwasher disposal. No, dish disposal. Disposal? Whatever it's called. I don't have one, nor do I have a dishwasher. So I just have to hand wash everything and be super careful about what goes down the drain, so I'm not like cleaning things out. I'll spare you the details. So let's do it. My water has a bit of calcium in it, so if you let everything air dry, it gets all these little white spots on it. So I go ahead and dry everything right away. Sometimes I walk the trash up to the front. Other times I just drive it up because I'm feeling lazy. And it will stay there. This campground has a laundry facility on site, which I am extremely grateful for, but not all campgrounds have laundry machines at the actual campground. That is always something I look at before I pick a campground because it saves a lot of time. This campground also has multiple washers and dryers, which is very nice so that you're not fighting with other people and waiting your turn like in college. Other chores that I didn't show you include wiping down the camper. I get a lot of dust in here. Emptying my tanks, which is not the most glamorous, but I'll save that for its own vlog because I'm sure you're curious. Maybe not. And just cleaning up the outside. Thanks for watching another episode of Hannah and Her Habitat. If you would comment, like, subscribe down below, and I will see you next week Fridays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.